Hello children, this is Naginder. Sir, today we are going to learn about India relief features. Relief features means but not physiographic divisions. Physiographic divisions are also called as physical features. Yes, and physical features. What are major physical divisions of the world? Plains, plateaus, mountains, deserts and islands. These are called as physical features or physical divisions. Yes, can I say it again? Okay, first one is plains, plateaus, mountains, deserts and islands. These five together called as physiographic divisions, also called as relief features. Let us come to know today the India's relief features. And first of all, let us come to know in the world where India is located. Where India is located. Located means location. Let us come to know location of India on the globe. On the globe. To know about the location, what are required? Latitudes and longitudes are required. What are required? Latitudes and longitudes are required to know any countries or continent or island, any place. What are required? Latitudes and longitudes. Let us come to know in which latitudes, which longitudes is India located. Latitudes, longitudes. Yes, latitudes. According to the latitudes, the earth is divided into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Hemisphere means half, sphere means full, hemi means half, hemisphere means half of the earth. Yes, according to the latitudes, earth is divided into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. According to the longitudes, the earth is divided into eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. Longitudes, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So the earth is divided into how many hemispheres? 4 hemispheres. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Clear to you? Right. Let us come to know in this, in which hemispheres India is located. Northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Yes, let us come to know which latitudes is India located in the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. India is located 8 degree 4 minutes. This symbol indicates minutes. North and 37 degree 6 minutes north. It indicates that north means India is located in the northern hemisphere. Longitudes 68 degree 4 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. So India is located here where in the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So that India is located here it is. On the earth, India is located here. Let us come to know India's map according to this latitudes and longitudes. Yes, let us come to know India's location according to this map. Which latitudes and which longitudes is India located? Let us come to know. Yes, here is India. Here is the equator. 0 degree latitude is called as equator. Let us come to know north means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, up to where it goes up to 90. So here it is, India's location 8 degree 4 minutes. 8 degree 4 minutes. 8 degree 4 minutes. Right? And 37 degree 6 minutes. 37 degree 6 minutes. Okay, these are the latitudes. Next, let us come to know longitudes. East means we should take from here. Here it is, which longitude? 68 degree 4 minutes. And 97 degrees 25 minutes. Yes, eastern hemisphere. In your textbooks it is given India's location in the southern hemisphere, but it is wrong. Yes, now let us come to know the fact where India is located in the northern hemisphere. India's location where? Northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Yes, let us come to know India's area. Area of India. 3.28 million square kilometers. 3.28 million square kilometers. The total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometers. Yes, in this the coastline, up to here it is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. So up to here it is Rann of Kutch to, and Rann of Kutch means Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bangalore, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal. This is a total coastline of India is, that is called as coastline. Coastline of India is 7,200 kilometers. Coastline. And land frontier. Land frontier means Rann of Kutch to, yes, part of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, up to where the land area sharing with the other countries, it is about 15,100 kilometers. This is the area of India. Area of India. Yes, area, how much area is India having? 3.287 billion square kilometers. In this coastline, how much is it having? 7,200 kilometers. Land frontier, it is 15,100 kilometers. Okay, and all together India sharing in area, India occupies 7th largest country. 7th largest country in the world. India ranks 7th largest country in the world. First largest country in the world is Russia. Russia. And after that, America, Canada, China, Brazil. Yes, like that, after Australia, after 6 countries, India ranks 7th place in the world. Okay, and this is the, and let us come to know latitudes and longitudes. And important point here it is, yes, latitude. For example, here it is 23.5 degrees. Northern latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer divides India into 2 equal halves. Yes, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer divides India 2 equal halves. 2 equal halves. 2 equal halves. It goes, it passes. Tropic of Cancer passes center of our country. Center of our country. Next, another here it is. And the longitude The longitude, which longitude passes center of that country, it is called as prime meridian of that country. The longitude which passes center of that country is called as a prime meridian of that country. For example, 68-97. In this half we should take. For example, in this what do we come to know? 15 longitudes. 30 longitudes. Out of 30 longitudes, half means 15. 68 plus 15, we should come to know 82.5 degrees. 82.5 degrees. Eastern longitude is called as prime meridian of our country. It is also called as IST, Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time. How much? 82.5 degrees eastern longitude. Yes, and GMT, Greenwich or Greenwich Meridian, Greenwich Meridian Time. It is international time. Greenwich is international time. IST means Indian Standard Time. It takes only India's time. Yes, 82.5 degrees. It means, for example, now the time in India is 6.5 hours, 6:30 in the evening. Yes, we should take it. The India Standard Time is ahead to the Greenwich Standard Time 5.5 hours. Ahead to the Indian time. Greenwich Meridian Time. Greenwich Meridian Time 5.5 hours. It means in India now the time is 6:30. We should minus it to 5:30. Greenwich is just Greenwich or Greenwich is located in London city, England. So 6:30 minus 5:30. How much? 1 o'clock. In England at present the time is afternoon, exact afternoon 1 o'clock. Okay, this is called as Greenwich Meridian Time. Greenwich Meridian Time. Okay, this is the location. India's location is in northern hemisphere, and to know the location, what do we require? Latitudes and longitudes. Which latitudes is India located? 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. Longitudes 68 degree 4 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. Here is the location. And if you take area that is called as size of India just constitutes 7th largest country in the world. Okay, what is the first largest country? Russia is the first largest country. Okay, next, and the area it is 3.28 million square kilometers. The coastline is 7,200 kilometers, the length of the coastline of India. Land frontier itself is 15,100 kilometers. India sharing the border with 8 countries. Here is Pakistan, here is Afghanistan, here is Uzbekistan, here is China, here is Nepal, here is Bhutan, here is Myanmar, here is Bangladesh. India sharing the boundary with 8 countries. And here the 23.5 degrees northern latitude is called as the Tropic of Cancer. It passes exact center of our country. So that India divides 2 equal halves because of this Tropic of Cancer. And here let us come to know the time measurement. It is possible with the longitude. The longitude which passes center of the country, it takes as the prime meridian of that country. India's prime meridian is 82.5 degrees eastern longitude. It is 5.5 hours ahead to the Greenwich meridian time. Okay, children, this is the India's relief features. Especially today we learned about the location of India. Yes, let us come to know now. To watch it clear to you, let us come to know the next topic. Yes, let us come to know now the relief features. What are the relief features? How they were formed. How they were formed. It is called as background of India. Background of India. According to the scientists or geologists, they said that in the formation of the world, at the time of formation, the earth or the land area was a single piece that is called as Pangea. Pangea, this is called as a single piece of land. Single piece of land, Pangea. Yes, and Pangea divided into 7 continents, present 7 continents. The present 7 continents, how it was possible? When it was started? Let us come to know. It was started according to the scientists or the geologists 225 million years ago. 225 million years ago. It means 22.5 crores years ago, the continents began to separate. Whatever the landform or the piece of land formed, 2 reasons. One, it is internal heat of the earth. Second, it is atmospheric pressure. At the time of the formation, the earth was so hot, so that it was happened for example, if you take India, here it is in the northern part of India is called as Angara land. Southern part of India is called as Gondwana land. Angara land and Gondwana land. Yes, here, when, for example, if we take, here is the India's, the northern part. Here we could find the Himalayas. Okay, and because of the internal heat, where the internal heat was occurred, here it is in the northern part of India. When it was happened 225 million years ago. So that because of that much of heat, yes, the internal heat, the earth was buckled up. So that the Himalayas was formed. The formation of Himalayas 225 million years ago it was started. It was ended by 165 million years ago. It means the formation of Himalayas took 60 million years, means 6 crore years time it took for the formation of Himalayas. According to the geologists, what they are saying that every year the height of the Himalayas are rising 5 centimeters because of the internal heat. Buckling of the Himalayas, so that it was rising every year 5 centimeters. Okay, 165 million years ago. For example, this is the plain area. Here we could find the plain area. Yes, northern part is called as Angara land. South part is called as Gondwana land. Yes, and the Himalayas, where the present Himalayas formation was started 225 million years ago. So the northern part it is called as Angara land. It means present North India, Madhya Pradesh up to there. The southern part is called as Gondwana land. Okay, Angara land, Gondwana land. It means the peninsular India comes under the Gondwana land. According to the scientists or the geologists, what they are saying that because of the changes, the living organism in the world first started in the peninsular India. Of course, we could find many civilizations in the world, but the first civilization was started in India because of the climatic conditions helped for the living organism. That we should come to know. Okay, children? And next, the Himalayas. The Himalayas were formed, yes, in the northern part of India. Yes, present Angara land. How they were formed? Because 225 million years ago, the land began to split. It means began to divide. Present 7 continents also formed. For example, Australia gone nearly 6,000 kilometers away. Antarctica gone nearly 9,000 kilometers away. How they were formed? Because of the internal heat. Same way, the internal heat helped for the separation of the Himalayas, separate of the India from Asia by Himalayas. So, Himalayas separated India from Asia. Okay, and the climatic conditions helped for the living organism. Okay, and let us come to know, according to this formation, India was divided into 4 physiographic divisions. 5 physiographic divisions. First, the Himalayas. Second, the Indo-Gangetic plains. Indo-Gangetic plains. Third, the peninsular plateau. Fourth, the coastal plains. Fifth, the desert. Sixth, the islands. Yes, according to the internal heat of the earth, the India's physiographic divisions are divided into 6 groups. These 6 groups we should learn in your next class. Okay, thank you children. Are you learning? Are you getting from me? Right children? Thank you.